Good morning, students. Today I will go over evaluating piecewise functions and also graphing piecewise functions. So here, number 2, we have two pieces. One is quadratic, the other one is linear, and they just want us to find the value of this function when it's 7. First thing I have to detect which one am I using, the first piece or the second. The domain will tell us which one to choose. Is 7 less than -3? Nope, I'm not using this one. Is 7 greater or equals to 5? Yes, this is the function that I'm using. So -3x plus 20 is the function that I'm using. So I will substitute the value of 7 into the x. So -21 plus 20, I get -1. So the value of 7 is -1. Let me utilize another one. Number 4. I want to find the value of the function when it's x -3. -3 goes on the first, the second, or the third. Is -3 less than -3? No, I will need the equal sign under. Is -3 equals to -3? Yes, I will use that one. So on this one, this is the same as having 0x's plus 3. So when I have a -3, I get 0 plus 3, 3. So the answer is 3. So f of -3 is 3. Why 3 does not work in here? -3 does not work in here because no equal sign under, guys. This -3 is excluded. So -3 perfectly equals -3. Now on the graphing part. The graphing part, it's a little bit more difficult because of course you will need those table of values in which we need to evaluate. We know the first is a linear function, so I will need just 2 points. X is in between. When the x is in between, we do not go to positive or negative infinity. It's just a piece of the line. So I know I need only 2 points. I will use -4 and 1. But keep in mind, -4 is included because we have a negative underneath. Sorry, an equal sign underneath. So I will sub -4. -4 minus 4, -8. I will graph it, -4 down 8. Included, I mentioned, equal sign under. Then the 1 minus 4, -3. 1 down 3. And this one is excluded, no equal sign under. It's aligned, the x is in between. We do not go all the way to positive infinity, then the negative infinity. No, it's in between. This is in between. How about the other line here? -x plus 2. Now the hint, the domain is here. We just need 2 points. I will use 1 and 4. 1 is excluded. That's okay if you get to exclude it. We just follow what they are asking us. And the 4 is included. So I will plug in 1 here, substitute 2 minus 1, 1. So the point is 1, 1. Remember, it's open. Then I will sub the 4. 2 minus 4, -2. 4 down 2 here. And this is included because of the equal sign under. And we get 2 pieces. Both of them are in between. Then the answer is what? 2 segments only. I will also help you with another one that's quadratic. How about number, let me choose 14. On number 14, we also have limitations. It's in between only. So I will not go towards positive infinity or negative infinity on any one. Both of them are in between. The one on the top or the first, it's aligned. How do I know it's just an X? So I will choose -8 and then 3. Look, both of them are excluded, no equal sign under. So I will do -8 input, negative times a negative positive, 8 minus 5, 3. So -8, 3, 1, 2, 3, remember excluded. Then the 3, plug it here, -5 minus 3, -8, 3, down 8, and that's also excluded. Now I will join it. I will find a straight edge, guys. Okay. Hoping I do a good job. Okay. Then I will graph my quadratic function. How do I know it's a U-shape or quadratic function? Because of the exponent 2. I will utilize all the points as possible on this quadratic function or parabola. Because we have a U-shape, I want to see how much is shaping as a U, either a complete U or not. So I get 3, 4, 5, and finally 6. So I will substitute the 3 here. 3 minus 5, -2, squared I get 4. Both of them are as well excluded or open. Plug in the 4 guy, substitute. 4 minus 5, -1, squared 1. 5 minus 5, 0, easy peasy. 6 minus 5, 1, squared 1. All great news. When we have the same height, these points are reflexive. So you can bet that the vertex is 5, 0. So I will proceed with my graphing, 3, 4, 3, 4. As mentioned, this is excluded, no equal sign under. 4, 1, 5, 0, and 6, 1. And I will stop in here. This incomplete U will be also our solution because they're asking us respect the domain or the parameters. We need a graph only from -8 to 3, both excluded on this line. And we need from 3 to 6 for this quadratic function only. Thank you guys for listening.